I wish I discovered this recipe before. Pumpkin and brown flour can make the best chapatis. I tried it and let me tell you, Mina, it was super delicious. Before we get to the chapati, let's cook the accompaniment, and it was just a simple mixture of carrots and green peas. I didn't do much of the ingredients. I just put some simple seasoning and soy sauce and also added my ingredients. And within a short time, you don't overcook, you just cook them for a few minutes. The green grams had been previously boiled, so it was just frying a little bit. A very simple yet delicious meal, and it cooks within a short time. For those of us who don't like the mixture with the potatoes or with meat, this is an ideal one for you. And it turned out so nice, and it is very delicious once served with the chapatis. We are also going to grill some pork, and I'm using this foil to protect my oven tray from the oil, and it also makes my work easy when I'm cleaning. This pork was previously marinated, so if you missed that video, you can check it out. You can see the cooker was well protected and the oil poured on the foil. On to our recipe.
Allow me to talk about our giveaway. We have a complete Meko burner and cylinder that we are giving away to our subscribers and followers on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and IG. Once we hit 10,000 subscribers and 10,000 followers. So introduce as many people as possible. Maybe if we notice someone is so dedicated, we might give something before the 10,000. But for now, our ultimate prize is the Meko burner and cylinder that we're going to give away once we hit 10,000 subscribers. So keep subscribing, keep following us on our other social media pages, and we really appreciate the 1,440 of you. Thank you so much for considering us worthy of your subscription.
To start with, we are going to boil the pumpkin to make them soft and easy for mashing. And you have to make sure they are very, very overcooked, if I may say. You can mash and you can also blend. So I decided to mash. It makes my work easy. If you are still watching, kindly consider subscribing if you're not already a subscriber. And if you're a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. We really appreciate and hope that you will continue supporting us. If you like this video, kindly consider giving it a like and share with your friends and family. So you need to mix the overcooked pumpkins and ensure they are evenly mixed. Otherwise, you might feel them in your chapatis when you cook. And then we did some seasoning, cardamom, vanilla essence, salt, and some sugar just to enhance the flavor. And now we mixed the flour together with the pumpkin. Those were the only ingredients that I used, so you don't even need to add milk. But if you need to cook a lot of chapatis and you don't have much pumpkins, then you can consider adding some milk. Not water, but milk. Milk makes it better, but if the milk is not available, you can always use the water. Yes. Okay, so at this point you mix until they're evenly mixed, and ensure as you mix you're also cleaning your bowl. It feels good to have a neat bowl, but don't get it to completely even, so that you will have some time to just even it out after leaving it for 30 minutes. Previously, I used to just leave my dough or just start cooking immediately, but I realized you need to leave it for some time. Even if it's just 20 minutes, it works wonders. You are going to get a better outcome as compared to cooking immediately. Leave a comment down below with what you think. By the way, I feel like it makes a whole lot of difference. It's some sort of like you're marinating, but in this case, you're doing it for the dough. Yeah. So mix evenly, and then we're going to cover it and leave it for at least 20 minutes as you cook the other ingredients and the accompaniments. Yeah. So here we cover for 20 minutes, and then we will come back. So when we come back, we mix a bit again, just not much, because at this point it's almost evenly distributed. So you're going to mix it for just a few minutes, a few folds, and it will be good to go.
You wanna know what's beginning of love? You look so hard, but you can't see enough. Just find it and take it, don't let regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be gone. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Drawing aside, I can't wait to start. You should call the police. Now I even can breathe. You love me and hate me, true me and false me. Make me your shining star. Giving, receiving, changing, believing. Only then we could start.